According to the Securities and Exchange Commission, unclaimed dividends in our market have increased steadily, having printed at 180 billion as of December 2021. Despite this amount being quite sizable, it represents only 5% of the entire dividends declared in the Nigerian capital markets. It is the aim of the apex regulator to bring this amount closer to zero so that all investors get their returns on equity investments and possibly reinvest same in our markets, thereby improving liquidity. The SEC has consistently affirmed that they intend for every investor to get the dividends as and at when due. It is also noteworthy to mention that the issue of unclaimed dividends is not peculiar to our markets alone. For example, markets such as Johannesburg Stock Exchange in South Africa also grapple with unclaimed dividends. According to the CEO of JSE Investor Services, about $68 million in unclaimed dividends are owed to shareholders in South Africa as of August 2022. Our apex regulator, the Securities and Exchange Commission, continues to work assiduously to reduce to the barest minimum the cases of unclaimed dividends. They recently created an e-dividend portal to reduce the high incidence of unclaimed dividends in our markets. The e-dividend portal also enables proceeds from secondary market transactions to be credited to their preferred bank accounts via direct cash settlements. Investors are therefore encouraged to register on the portal to ascertain the value of dividends that they are yet to claim. The Nigerian Exchange Limited continues to provide an efficient, liquid, and multi-asset securities platform that offers investors various options, including equities, fixed income, derivatives, and other exchange-traded products, including mutual funds and exchange-traded funds. We're committed to developing the capital markets by providing a market that thrives on innovation and one that responds to the needs of stakeholders in investing and using capital. Finally, I would like to thank Futureview Asset Management for collaborating with us to make this webinar a reality. We'd also like to thank the President of the Chartered Institute of Stockbrokers and the Chairman of the Association of Securities Dealing Houses of Nigeria for their continued support. I welcome all the key stakeholders and attendees participating in this webinar. I'm confident that the learnings from today's discussions will further encourage more retail investor participation in the Nigerian capital markets.